Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2App, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add credit card to PayPal. So to be able to add your credit card to your PayPal account, first of all open your PayPal and log into your account. Then go to your wallet section. Now click on link a card. Now enter your card details and add your card network and the expiration date and the CVV. Then you can save the card to your account, and that's it. Your credit card is now linked to your PayPal account. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.